Clip it, dog.
Yeah, clip it. All right. Hey, so we're on our way up to Ricketts Glen State Park. So we're not going to do any trout fishing in the park because most of the streams are prohibited from fishing in the Glen's natural area. So we're going to try to hit 2 or 3 small trout streams right outside of the park. We're going to try to get some brook trout. We're going to try to get some brown trout. It's a really nice day. It's been hot the last week or so. It's down in like the 70s today. Really great weather, especially for catching trout. So when we get a little bit closer, I'll turn the camera back on and show you where you guys are at. All right, man. All right, so right now we're on Phillips Creek. This is just outside of Ricketts Glen State Park. Wait, hold on, I already see a trout. Got him, got him, got him. Nice brook trout, boys. Good, you see that? Nice sized brook trout. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera. That's the first cast. Brook trout special right there. Nice orange halos. All right, let's get him off the hook.
Hit that quick.
All right. All right, so we just got here to Phillips Creek. Just got a really nice brook trout. Look at this guy. Ooh. Look at these colors. Ooh, really nice size too. Probably about 7 inches or so. Really nice looking trout. So let's get him off the hook here. He's hooked just in the corner of the mouth, trying to get it off with our hands. And he's gone. We got that brook trout off in a second. Hold on a second. Watch this. Watch this. There's a ton of them in this little hole. Got him. Oh, got him. And another little brookie. Look at this guy. Another little brook trout. We pretty much just got out of the park. We're at the southern end of Ricketts Glen after all the waterfalls. We're on Kitchen Creek. So we just got to private property. So this is the end of the road. Let's see if we can get a trout in here though. Just casting in this nice deep pool. Got him. Oh, nice little brook trout. Oh, hold on. Got a little guy right here. All right, so this is a nice healthy brookie. We're gonna get a nice pick of him right here. Ooh, nice brookie. Nice brookie, probably 6 or 7 inches, not bad. Gonna get some water on him. Oh, all right, he's gone. All right, so I kind of got stuck between a rock and a hard place because down there's a private fishing and hunting club back that way, and there's a bunch of signs, so obviously I respected it and stopped. And then up here, unfortunately, is the state park, so I really have a narrow window to fish here of like maybe 100 yards. So we're gonna give it the old college try. But prime fishing where I wanted may not happen. Ooh, got him. Ooh, no, he got off, dang. Just had a real nice hit, oh my gosh. Just saw a real nice trout go after this. Holy cow. Hoping I can coax him again. He was big, dang. Some of the trout up here, really nice. Oh, got him. Got him. Nice. Dang, he hit that right by the surface. Oh my gosh. Wow. Right by the surface. Nice brookie. Nice brookie. Another nice brookie. This is only a brook trout stream. Ooh, that's a real nice one. Dang. All right, let's get him off. Let's get a good look at him. Just wet my hands. Ooh, 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 ooh. See the colors on this guy? Wow. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Native brook trout, no stocking. Really nice. Ooh. Just him on my hand right here. He's a pretty good size. Definitely a good size on my hand. Very, very nice. Very nice. All right, well, let's get him off. My buddy, who I'm with, who's not a great fisherman, was just skipping rocks in a huge trout hole. Oh! Ow. Dang, just took an L. Ow. Wow. That hurt. Yeah, he was just skipping rocks in a trout hole. Insanity. Insanity. See, we're just casting out into this hole here. Got him. Got him. Oh, he's a good size. Dang. Okay. Another good sized one. Really nice. Wow, he's long. He might be the biggest one of the day. Dang. I got another one. Yeah. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Dang. Look at him. He's huge. Wow. Look at him in my hand. My wet hand. Holy cow. Really nice. Really nice fish. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to get him off. So we just got on the Ricketts Glen Falls hike. Nice easy path going up into the mountains, so I'll turn you back on when we get to something cool. It is so hard to not have my rod right now. Look at this pool. Oh my God. This is a nice brookie pool, but we're gonna do the right thing. We're not gonna fish in the Ricketts Glen natural area, state park, whatever. So we're gonna look and not touch the forbidden fruit. But we're not even to the waterfalls yet, but wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Trout, 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 trout.
Nice place to set. Such a great trout pool down there. Someday. So my buddies are back there conversating with an old couple. I went ahead. We went up the Ganoga Falls side of the waterfall trail. Now we're heading over to the other side. This is a really nice, quiet part of the park where there's not as many people. Really beautiful northeastern forest. Really nice. Itching to get back to catch some trout, but it's nice to check stuff like this out.
So many trout, there's so many trout down there. All right, let's try one last spot before we call it a day. One last spotty. Just got this monster brook trout. Monster. So I completely forgot to do an outro. So we're kind of back around home. We just drove back like 2.5 hours from Ricketts Glen. So I had a good time at the state park. We got to see a bunch of waterfalls, just dropped my 2 buddies off. We were able to snag probably 6 or 7 nice brookies, up to really like 10 inches, which is pretty good for some native brookies up there. Had a really good day. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you can get some better fish next time.